Hi friends, welcome to my channel Food and Living. I'm Shweta. Today let's watch how to make veg pizza without oven. That is, we'll make a DIY oven and then prepare this pizza. To start with, we'll take a cup of warm water and add in sugar 1 teaspoon. Remember to take warm water and not hot water, and also the container or the cup in which you take should also be warm, and this will add as food to the yeast which we'll be adding. I'm taking about 1.5 teaspoon of active dry yeast, which is easily available in the market. We'll mix it well. We'll close this and keep it aside for about 10 minutes to froth. After 10 minutes, you can see the frothing as I'm showing here. If it is froth, if you can see the froth, then you can continue with the preparation. Now for the dough, what we'll do is we'll take a mixing bowl and take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and 1 cup of wheat flour. And to this I'm adding salt and oregano according to taste. First we'll mix all the dry ingredients really well. Like we do with atta, chapati flour, we'll add in water slowly for mixing to avoid any watery consistency. First add all the yeast water and then according to the need start adding water slowly. For this you can take cold water itself, water at room temperature, and then knead it slowly and really well. The good thing is that you can prepare this early and keep it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want. I am adding olive oil and smearing it all over. Take one end of the dough and the other end and place it like I am doing it. We'll allow to proof it for at least 2 hours. We can close it with a damp cloth or a cling wrap. And for the sauce, we'll take a pan with little oil. We'll add in onion, tomato, we'll allow this to cook. We'll add about 10 to 12 garlic cloves and some red chilies. We'll allow this to cook with a lid on top, and then after cooling we'll blend it in a blender, and the same mixture we'll take it in a pan with little olive oil, and to enhance its taste we'll add a few more ingredients. Take some amount as required in the pan. We'll add chilli powder, about 1 teaspoon, salt, pepper, oregano, ketchup, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Since we have already cooked onion and tomatoes, we did not cook this much. Just to mix all the ingredients we just added, and to enhance the taste, we are going to mix it well. Mix it really well and keep it aside. Let it cool. And to prepare the oven, what we'll do is take a kadai, which should hold the pizza plate which you're going to keep later. To that we'll add salt. You can use either powdered salt or the rock salt. After you have placed the salt, you can put the flame on and allow to preheat for at least 10 minutes. We'll keep a stand like this on top of the salt you just added. And we'll close it, and this will be the oven for us to cook the pizza. You can choose a plate which is appropriate and which can close it properly. Now we'll check the dough. See, you can see that it has risen well, at least 2 to 3 times of its original size. I am kneading it again. You can use the same flour for dusting. I'm making the dough into two parts. I'm using the flour to dust again and start spreading it evenly and start flattening it. You can use a roller to do the same. The crust size and the thickness is according to your taste. You can make it. I'm not going for very thick crust. I'm making fairly medium sized crust. And this is the plate I've chosen. You can also take the plate according to your the size of the pizza and the size of the kadai. Gently lift the dough and place it on the plate. Remember to do this at this step. After you have added all the sauce and the vegetables, it will be really difficult to lift it up. So place the plate and then start adding the sauce we just prepared, the pizza sauce. If you want to skip this step, the pizza sauce is also easily available in the market. You can use that. I'm again adding in some tomato ketchup. If you think this tomato ketchup is too much, then you can skip this also. But I prefer adding it because it can enhance the taste and I really like the taste of it. And to that we'll add the grated mozzarella cheese and the pizza mix herbs. We'll just sprinkle it all over evenly, along with the salt and some chilli flakes. We'll have to cut the vegetables prior and keep it ready. I have taken corn, tomato, capsicum, onion and baby corns. You can also add jalapenos and olives, black olives or green olives, mushrooms, whatever you prefer. Place them randomly or in any fashion you choose to. I like to load my pizza with a lot of vegetables, so that way a lot of vegetables can also be consumed. You can add in as much as you want or as less as you want. That is completely your choice. And to top it up, we are again going to grate some mozzarella cheese over it. And again some oregano. And drizzling some olive oil just to prevent a dryness. See, now this oven is ready and the pizza plate is also ready to get into it. Place it gently, carefully, like I'm doing it here, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes in medium to high flame. And check if it is golden brown after 15 minutes and your pizza is ready. See how yummy it looks. Take it out very carefully and remember the plate is really hot, so with careful hands or with some mittens on you can cut it like this and serve it really